Not bad. This is a pretty genius invention if you ask me. Got a new drip from Nitetronic. This is the C6 anti-snore pillow. Actually, as you can see, it is a complete solution, non-invasive and best in its class. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you, and now let's check it out. So this is the box. It will come in a nice white box with a carrying handle up here. Of course, it was inside of a brown box, but I already got rid of that. So double protection and again a nice carrying case. If you notice, the handle is a bit off center. It's placed in the center of gravity. Love that little detail. So right here you can see it a little bit better. It's off to the right. Love that. And now let's open it up. So we have 1 and 2 of these flaps. And now we can just open it up. Yeah, and here we have it. First of all, we have this cover right here, a bit of protective stuff, and also this compartment right here with the paperwork. And right here we have the main unit with the pump and the pillow. And right here we have the accessories. Other than that, this box is empty, so let's get right to the accessories. So as I said, there is basically just the power brick looking like that. This is the connector right here. And here we can see all the details on the brick. I will need an adapter for this one right there. No problem, easy as that. And this right here is the manual. So we have page 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And the last page right here with the app. There we go. Done with the unboxing, and now let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. Yeah, and the pillow itself will also come wrapped, so let's get it out. The tube is also wrapped, but I don't think that we should remove this, so I will have to cut it open. Alright, no worries, this was super easy to remove. Oh, this is looking so nice. Look at this tube. Just from the unboxing I can tell that the build quality is pretty nice. So this is it's looking like a really nice sleeved cable, like in a high-end PC build. So this is the air tube, flexible air tube of course. Also this unit is looking really nice, well made on the bottom right here. So yeah, build quality is top notch. And the pillow itself is soft. That's the side with the memory foam. Yeah, pretty nice. So let's take a close look. So on the unit itself we have the Wi-Fi button, then we have these 2 buttons, then we have the logo and the QR code for the app. It's looking pretty nice. Then right here we have the on and off switch. We have 4 rubber feet, really soft rubber feet on the bottom, love that. And on the bottom we have this barcode and the QR code and more info. And on this side we have the hose and also the port for the power connector. We already took a look at the nice tube, so let me just put this on the floor. And this is the pillow from the inside. So we have the outer casing right here. Then we have 2 of these foam pads in there. Then we have the actual thing that will inflate with all the magic in here. We have this seal right here. It says do not open it. And on top we have this soft side right here. So let's close this zipper. So it's up here. Right there we also have the brand. This is what the pillow looks like. And the unit itself is super cushioned. And this is of course to stop the vibration from the pump to spread to the floor. So this means it's super silent. Good stuff. Now let me tell you all about the specs and the features. You will find the link to this page in the description, of course. As I said, this is the best non-invasive anti-snore solution. And if you sign up with your mail, you can enjoy a -50% discount at launch day. It's clinically verified, it has a smart app, and it has memory foam. So it's effective. You also have the data collection to check your sleep, and you have ultimate comfort thanks to the memory foam. And why it matters, I will get to that at the end of the video in my conclusion in more detail. Snoring is not only annoying, but it can also be a precursor to sleep apnea, and this is a sickness that you definitely should look into because it can really mess with your sleep and with your health. So yeah, it definitely matters. So we have the snore detection inside of the pillow right here. So you can of course place the pump, the main unit on the floor or underneath your bed or wherever you want. And this MEMS sensor will detect snoring sounds and then it will activate the pump to adjust your head position. Your position will get recognized, so it will always inflate the chamber that's best suited to tilt your head. And we also have a smart app, as I said, for analyzing your sleep quality and your snoring activities. We have great feedback already, and it's also in the news on quite a few pages. So yeah, if you're interested, definitely sign up for the newsletter. So let's plug it in. Let's turn it on. This is what it looks like. Lights on top. There is a demo mode, but first we need to download the app. Let's see. Nitetronic. That's looking like it. But just to be safe, let's check the code too. Yes, that's the thing. So let's download it. And the publisher is AI-Works Global. So let's open it up. Agree. Okay. All right. So let's register. So I'm male. Birthday. Let's go. Height. Okay. 71 then. And my weight. 143. Okay. Submit. And now let's add a device. And now we need to scan this QR code right here. Okay, now we need to press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds. Location always helps, of course. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so location needs to be activated. I forgot that. Nice, easy as that. So the detection is inside the pillow, and it will also detect your head position. There are resources down here, what to know about snoring and how to reduce it. And other than that, we have reports. We have the settings right here, where we can set the monitor duration, and we can set the sensitivity and the intensity, and we can also deactivate it. And we can, yeah, that's the device status right here. Awesome, we can turn off the light. Love that. We can remove it. And oh, yeah. Firmware upgrade, but the current version is the latest version. Perfect. And lastly, we have the Me section right here. And here you can also find an FAQ. We can update the app. We can reset the sensor and display mode. Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do a demo. Oh, it already inflated a chamber. Okay, let's stop it and let's start it again. Whoa, it is actually absolutely silent. Okay, it's really hard to see on video, I think, so I will test it in a second. Right here. There are 5 steps to this on both ends. So we can also set the intervention intensity right here and the detection sensitivity right here. All the way. Okay, let's test it for real. For this demo, I will keep the pump on the bed. We have medium sensitivity and strong correction. But let's try the demo mode again, or the display mode. So let's see. I already tested it once. Okay, let's start the demo. It is 100% completely silent. It is, I don't know how this is possible, but it is scary silent. Also, you need to relax completely. I have a super stiff neck. While sleeping, this would be easier to demonstrate, I guess. But here we already go. So this chamber is getting inflated and there is no noise whatsoever. And as you can see, my head is getting tilted to the right. It's like a massage. And it's deflating again. So yeah, as you can see, the head will get tilted around 45 degrees, and that seems to be enough to restore the throughput of your airways, just like it was shown in the video. That's how it goes. Monitoring is now active. Yep. Yeah, with the power indicator, you can turn on and off the LED. That's awesome. If you're sensitive to dim light sources like me, this is perfect. And when you turn it on and off, the Wi-Fi button will light up red. And when it's connected, it will switch to blue. So it should now detect my snoring. So let's test that. I heard the clicking sound. Oh wow, it's always inflating on my left side. That's funny. Okay, well, the detection is on the highest setting. So no wonder that it will get triggered immediately. That is so nice. So let me try to reposition myself so maybe we can get the tilt to the left. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, there we go. This is so nice. Not bad. So I was pretty much right under the chamber. So the further you are away, the less your head will get tilted, obviously. But this was bit more than 45 degrees, I think. But yeah, this is a pretty genius invention, if you ask me. Nice. While doing my research for this product, I noticed that the company Nitetronic has already been in existence for many years working on this product. This of course is the newest iteration, so by now this is very much refined. And also I would like to point out even more benefits that this product may bring to you, because besides snoring, which is annoying of course but not necessarily dangerous, this can also help you with something way more bad, which actually is dangerous. And I am talking about sleep apnea, a rather unknown but fairly widespread occurrence in the population. In both cases, snoring and sleep apnea, your airways, or rather the muscles surrounding your airways, will relax just a bit too much, thus not keeping the airways not open any longer and basically blocking it. And this first of all causes the sometimes extremely loud snoring noises, but after some time the airways might get blocked completely, causing an episode of obstructive sleep apnea, which basically means you cannot breathe whatsoever. And you will basically keep suffocating yourself until you're so out of oxygen that you wake up panicking and gasping for air. And this, of course, snoring and sleep apnea mainly happens when you're laying on your back with your head or face facing upwards. Yeah, and with this solution you can proactively, or rather preemptively, stop this from happening altogether, because when the airway muscles will start to relax more and more, you will start to snore, and the sound will get of course picked up by the system. Yeah, and then the pillow will start to inflate and tilt your head, stopping the snoring and moreover reopening your airways. So this will not only improve the sleep quality of your partner, because it will stop you from snoring, no, it will also improve your own sleep quality. No more snoring, morning headaches, impaired concentration the next day, you name it. If your sleep is bad, you're really done for the next day. And that's why I find this product really awesome and amazing. It's definitely fascinating and I can definitely recommend it, especially if you have a snoring problem or your partner has a snoring problem. Then this would be the perfect gift, of course. So yeah, it's definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.